Hello, I'm Billy Mitchell with FedScoop TV. Today I'm here with Bryna Dash, Director of IBM Cloud for Federal at IBM. How are you, Bryna?
I'm good, thank you.
Absolutely, great to have you here today. We're at the VMware Public Sector Innovation Summit, and we wanted to talk to you a little bit about just that innovation. And government's always trying to be more innovative with their initiatives. So I was wondering, what are some of the initiatives that are currently driving federal agencies in terms of innovation, and how are you guys at IBM helping support that?
Sure, so there's some pretty long-standing even now initiatives in federal government like the Cloud First mandate, like data center consolidation, that are driving agencies and branches of government towards innovative solutions. As long as they are going to be moving to the cloud, consolidating data centers, they don't want to do that for its own sake, but to be innovative in their approaches and try to get to better outcomes in these changes that they're going through. Specifically for IBM and how we're supporting them, it could be all along the gamut. Some of our customers are coming to us with consolidations that we are supporting them on. Some of them are coming to us with just traditional tech refresh requirements that they have, and we're working with them to determine how that tech refresh would be best executed, whether they keep that in-house, whether some of those workloads are better suited for the cloud in terms of cost savings and time to value that they'll reap from moving to cloud. So we're working them along that whole continuum. And beyond the existing official programs in the government, like I mentioned, there's also a lot of trends that are going on, and we see across all the agencies around mobile, around agile development, and we're working with agencies in those regards too. So agile development, we work with a lot of different constituencies, agencies, partners around DevOps. And in some examples, we're helping agencies move from using physical run books that might be over 100 pages long. So to take their application and move it into production, they have people, manual effort along 100-page run books that now agencies are moving towards automating that entire process and making sure that they can not only push to production but roll back from production if there's a problem very easily in a very automated fashion, and really embracing all of these cloud technologies.
Yeah, and for those agencies that want to get to this innovative process like yesterday, I mean, like as soon as they possibly could, what kind of advice would you give to them to kind of speed up that process to actually getting there?
Sure. So we've been very fortunate to work with customers that have great leadership, and leadership is a key ingredient to getting to this change. It's not just the technology. For technology's sake, there's a lot of change management involved in moving towards innovative processes and an innovative culture. And so our customers have really been thought leaders in this and showing through example, leading through example in their organization. So we'll start maybe with some small pilot or a small project, and then the success of that will be contagious and it will ripple across. So now customers where we've worked with them on proving it out in one area, we've now had them implement DevOps, for example, wholesale across over 25 applications, and really reaping the true value of moving in that direction.
So what would you say are some of the more fertile areas in the federal government for innovation?
Well, the big one right in front of us is cloud. I mean, the government has already started using cloud for DevOps, for R&D, and now we're seeing the beginnings of them wanting to use it for their mission, for their services to citizens and to warfighters, whatever their mission might be. And that's really going to be the true proof point of innovation in government. So right now we know that the government spends about 6% of their IT budget on cloud, and so that's very small, and the majority of that is on private cloud. So we're really just at the tip of the iceberg in terms of the innovation we're going to be able to see the government achieve, not just getting the value of infrastructure as a service, which is lowering costs and improving efficiencies and time to value, but really what we're all after, which is improving mission capability and reaping the functionality and capability that's available through the cloud. And so we all look forward to working with our clients more in that effort.
Sure. Well, that's great. That's all I have for you, Bryna. I appreciate you stopping by today.
Thank you.
Absolutely. I'm Billy Mitchell with FedScoop TV. Thanks for watching.